bro, want a sandwich? That's got mayonnaise on it? Yeah. That's strange. I thought we ran out of mayonnaise like 2 days ago. Me too, but there's a little extra jar of it filled to the brim in the cabinet. It's good. Yeah, but it feels a little thick though, don't it? Yeah, like sticky thick. Oh, what y'all eating? Oh, my fault, bro. Sandwiches. You want one? Oh, nah, you're straight. I actually gotta go somewhere. Where? To the sperm bank. Actually, did y'all see a small bottle filled with white liquid? I gotta bring that with me. What? Why are you still eating it?